Van alarms frequently trigger due to issues with door contacts, bonnet switch, or interior sensors. Start by visually inspecting door contacts for misalignment, corrosion, or loose wiring. These magnetic switches signal when a door opens, and any disruption can trigger the alarm. Next, check the bonnet switch, a plunger-style switch that activates when the hood is lifted. Ensure it's clean, securely mounted, and functioning correctly. Finally, examine interior sensors, which are often piezoelectric shock sensors or motion detectors. Sensitivity adjustments may be needed to prevent triggers from wind or nearby activity. Modern systems may allow adjustments via a central module or smartphone app. By systematically checking these components, you can pinpoint the source of the false alarms. For door contacts, clean any corrosion with electrical contact cleaner and realign if necessary. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. If the bonnet switch is loose, resecure it with reinforced mounts. For interior sensors, consult your van's manual or OEM app to adjust the sensitivity threshold. If cleaning and adjustments don't resolve the issue, component replacement may be necessary. According to a 2024 survey, fixing a bonnet switch typically costs $50 to $150, while interior sensor replacements average $200 to $400. When working on your van's electrical system, always disconnect the battery to prevent shocks or system resets. If the problem persists, consider consulting a professional technician to avoid further damage or voiding your warranty.